So the lathe in question is a Hendy, made in the US. It's got a leather belt drive. It's got an electric motor, which is missing. It's not here yet. That's coming later. This was a very generous hand-me-down from Austin Machine. His operation expanded to the point where this was an orphan. So it seemed like, you know, adopting would be the right thing to do. So this is the end. We made it. It's in the garage. 10 fingers, 10 toes. Not exactly OSHA approved, but what fun would it be if we followed all the safety rules? So we're going to be loading the old lathe on the trailer. Try to get it into my garage. Possibly. We lightened it up as much as we can, and the skid steer failed to lift it. So next attempt is bigger iron. Hopefully it works. It's like doing surgery with a chainsaw. Yeah, this thing is, it can go outside, but alright. Just come up easy. Yep, keep going. Alright, stop on there. Now this one. Space. Go ahead. Keep going. You want to lean it back? Yeah. Come up a little more. All right. Pretty much got it. You know what? You just move the carriage this way. Everything's, all the weight's on this side somehow. See that? Just watch it like dance. I thought that it would be heavy the other way. Oh, it's trying to tip that way? Yeah. So, alright, I mean, we're more better. Move that chain. Yep. You've got to go up like 2 feet at least. Right, clear down. How am I square wise? Square. Better. Actually stop and go up some more. That front foot on that side. Alright, that should be good. Room to lean. Well, should have plenty of room. Hang on, I gotta lean. That is sketchy as it fucking looks. Yep. I would go down and then maybe just let it tips down. So we're going to be loading and unloading. Yeah.
It's disabled.
Ramp truck, that would do it.
Yeah, a couple other methods too.
Square body
Another
GMC,
fork.
bigger fork truck.
Yeah, bigger winch.
Yeah.
You know, the trailer that could load itself with square body GMC.
Big loader that could go down the road.
You've seen in other videos deployed winching horizontal boring mills and Jeeps and shit.
All right, so hack wood to cleverly hack steel addition to the ramps.
We're gonna take a chainsaw. You got a chainsaw?
I got saws. It's good.
As soon as I can go down, I want to go down.
All right, you can go down. Yep. Now you got it. 100%.
Doesn't weigh any less. It seems like it's might be how we have to do it. Might have to go around and grab it. Yeah. Put it down first. Yep. Put it down. Yep. Now down. There you go. Yep. Got it.
Nice maneuvering. Oh yeah, perfect.
Hang on. Come back. Go a little bit left. Back up. Sorry. I'm gonna go. Go, yeah, just like that, perfect. Straighten your wheels. Straighten. Yep, straighten. Right there. Just like that. Almost like you know how to do this now. Almost. Hold on 1 sec. Drive forward just an inch. Forward. Alright, stop. Just snatch button. Just get it done. And then you can back up some more. Keep going. Keep going a little more. Find convenient D-ring. That's pretty good. We can go to these pockets. Those.
Anyway, it's here and it's gonna be fun. And I gotta do a little work, get 3-phase power to it, and you know, kind of get a feel for it. I'm not a real machinist, but I'd like to pretend to be. So that'll be fun. And once again, a huge thank you to Austin Machine for the badass old lathe. Maybe eventually I'll grow a milling machine where this pile of stuff is. But for now, still more Jeep stuff to come. Lathe stuff. Honda Odyssey repair hiding in the outside. Honda Odyssey. Lots of fun to come as always. So thanks for checking out the video. Thank you again, Chip. If you guys need drive shafts, machine work, or anything, and you live anywhere near Maine, best place to go. You'll get what you need, and it'll be right. So hit them up. Austin Machine on YouTube and Facebook. Sanford, Maine. Thanks.